So you want to give a bite? सर एक न्यू इनिशिएटिव्ह ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट चालू केला विलेज लेवल एंटरप्रिनर्स देर इज टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ एजंट्स अर्लियर सो आता किती न्यू इनिशिएटिव्ह केल्ले आसा
The most important part is we are going digital in a big way. As many as 60 services have been digitized. People, there is no direct link of the public to, there is no need for them to go and interact with the officers. Everything can be done online. And there are many more services are being added every month or every 2 months. This has been being done on a very continuous basis. Yesterday, we have launched a program called VLE, Village Level Entrepreneurs. With Village Level Entrepreneurs, whatever services are there to be availed of by the people, they don't understand how to fill a form, how to avail a service, how to get the permits. All this, those agents can do. Officially, they are allowed to charge, these youth are allowed to charge about 100 rupees. And every day, we have calculated, nobody gets less than 20 customers or 20 people wanting the services. So 20 into 10, it becomes 2,000 per day they are earning. All that they need to get a system with a computer or a laptop and whatever they require. That's the one-time investment which they have to make. Many of them are doing it. We want this city like a village level employment for the people. RTO सगळे वयता तुमकां खबर आसा वयता तांकां सर्वीस मेळपा जाय न्हू पयले एजंट आसताले थोडे एजंटूय आतां ऑफिशियली हे आमचे हें जाला VLE जाला विलेज लेवल एंटरप्रेनर्स सो इट इज अ गुड साइन सो देर आर न्यू पीपल एज वेल एज ओल्ड पीपल हू हैव इंटिग्रेटेड इन दिस प्रोग्राम.
Sir, tomorrow Union Finance Minister is going to inaugurate the museum. Anything on that, sir?
Dharohar, which means heritage, is the name of the museum. This is the first such museum in the country, which is being inaugurated by the Honorable Finance Minister tomorrow. And this is going to be as part of the celebrations of 75 years what we are having. And I think this museum shows the evolution of taxes in this country, right from the Salt Act up till culminating in the new regime of indirect taxation, which is the GST. How it evolved all throughout, it showcases that. But there is much more than taxation. What people understand, customs they will catch you, income tax they will come and catch you if you don't pay. What other services they do? Like customs is linked to serving society. They are the people who catch the druggies. They are the people who confiscate drugs. They are the people who don't allow drug smuggling. Are they not contributing to helping the youth of the country from getting away from the bad habits that they would have got as a consequence of if they had allowed smuggling of drugs and other things? So this is their contribution. Their contribution is there in wildlife as well. They don't not only do custom duty. Similarly, which you will see tomorrow, I don't want to say more. Same way, GST as to how the taxes evolved, as I told you, right from when the salt taxation resulted in the national movement for freedom. Gandhiji launched that movement, you know very well history. Same way, GST how it came. When nobody could get GST, many prime ministers, many ministers, many governments spoke about it. Who finally made it a reality? Reality was made by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. He took it upon himself to introduce reforms in the country. And I call the greatest reform has been the GST. One nation, one tax. That is helping our businesses. People were apprehensive, our revenues will not grow. If you see now, our revenues have grown. We collected something like the highest 1.6. Last month we collected 1.42 lakh crore, which itself shows the system is working. I cannot forget the contribution of great Arun Jaitley ji, who also was a great contributor when he was finance minister. And now the a very hard-working and dedicated finance minister whom we have in the persona of. They have seen the system works. We have passed through very difficult time. You remember COVID? What was the situation? We wanted exemption for certain goods. She gave it. We wanted importing of certain equipment to help COVID patient. Certain things to be done, exemptions to be granted for the country where people have got free vaccination done. So one cannot forget this. So all this you will see much more in the museum tomorrow. Wait for until tomorrow. I can't tell more. There are many interesting things. It is a very good thing for Goa. Right now I am here inaugurating the quality sourced from the best possible place. So I congratulate Mr. Fahad Putti and wish him all the best. You have caught me asking your news. Was forgotten where I have inaugurated this particular thing. So that is how, and if you have seen, that's how things have developed in this area. You see, so many things I have inaugurated. Almost